Hi, so this video is regarding how to find the Wi-Fi password of HP printer 2655 Deskjet all in one. And to do that, the first thing is we need to switch on the printer. So just press the power button on and then we will go for the next steps. Now go to the printer and press the wireless button once, and the one button below that, just press that as well. So both the buttons should be pressed one by one. And now we wait for the printer to print out the document. It may take few seconds, just keep patience for that. And we can see it's printing a document, and in this document we see all the details about the printer, and it also tells like what's the password for this printer. Now here at the bottom we can see it says the Wi-Fi direct password. The universal password for this printer is 1234567 8, and if it is a different then you might have to check on this document. Thanks for watching.